Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening sites. Google, com and signing in. Once done, click the plus button to create a new site. Choose either a template to speed setup or a blank site to control layout. Make sure to set a clear site title and adjust the URL path so visitors find you easily. Also set sharing permissions now so collaborators can edit or view. This first move gets your project live and prevents access problems later while you build pages and add content. Now you build the site structure by adding pages. Create home, about, contact, and any custom pages you need. Once pages exist, use the Insert panel to drop text boxes, images, embedded content, and Drive files. This is how you populate each page. You should also adjust section layouts, columns, background images, and spacing to control visual hierarchy. Make sure to reorder navigation so important pages are prominent. While editing, preview frequently to confirm mobile and desktop layouts look right. Finish by clicking Publish and choosing either the default sites. Google, com path, or a custom domain you own. Once published, test all links and preview the site on mobile and desktop. Make sure sharing settings match your intent so collaborators and visitors can access content. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache, verify file and page permissions, and confirm that any embedded content allows external viewing. If edits aren't appearing, republish after a cache clear to force the latest version to show.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.